I mean, I might die.
This isn't being recorded, right?
This is crazy.
What the fuck is happening? This was awesome!
At the beginning, it felt like the internet would actually connect us. Instead, it got loud. Everyone talking, no one really listening. But underneath the noise, something quieter started to grow. Smaller groups, real conversations, people building things together. They called it community. And for the first time, the internet started to feel human again. And at the center of it all were a handful of people crazy enough to think they could take it even further.
Hello and welcome to a very exciting school news.
This man called Goose is going around the world and he's meeting up with schoolers and hosting little events all around the world. Then he said his next one is he's going to Antarctica, which is pretty wild.
That's insane.
This is our final stop on our world tour, where we've traveled to 56 cities, hosted thousands of people, and are checking off the final continent on the list, Antarctica. I spent $250,000 out of my own pocket in order to make this a reality. For this insane experience, we're bringing almost 30 leaders from the school platform for a 10-day excursion with us in the ice. For this to be a win, 3 things. Host masterminds, no matter what, everyone does the polar plunge, and we touch land in Antarctica. Now, the regular cost for each ticket is well over $15,000, and that doesn't include flights. So the question is, will this experience be outstanding, or will it turn out that the last 12 months have just been an expensive mistake? Well, there's only one way to find out.
And so the team set out for the southern tip of Argentina, where they would sail to Antarctica. Little did they know the problems they were about to face.
Oh, what's up, baby? Shit.
Welcome to Ushuaia.
To the bottom of the earth. Yeah, this is a nice day today.
Yeah.
Yeah, narwhal.
See how it feels like.
We should go out and have dinner outside today.
What are we doing?
Selecting colors for our next 2 weeks.
Welcome to Ushuaia, baby. Who's in there? Who's in there?
A couple power users of school.
Wow, that is huge. So when I walk into that door, thus ends my last 2 weeks of break, which was the only 2 weeks that I took off from last year. All the different events, all the 56 different cities. This is it. This is the final conclusion. And no pressure, but we have the entire eyes of school watching this. So time to make it count.
I love what you said one time in one of the, I don't remember which video it was.
We're making money to do this, not doing this to make money. That's the easiest way I can explain. We are boarding the ship right now, so the adventure officially begins, baby. Thank you very much, man. Wow. Dude, the amount of smiles that we got on the way up. Okay, so there's already, right off the bat, good news and there's bad news. The good news is everyone's having a fantastic time. They're all getting together, we haven't lost anybody yet, and the food's really good and the people are really nice. The bad news is that we were supposed to leave port an hour or more ago, and we haven't yet. And the reason is because it's so fucking windy right now that we cannot. We're facing, as we're told, 7-meter high waves, which also means that the first event that we're throwing on this boat is completely in jeopardy.
3, 2, 1,
What do I want to see on the cruise? Orcas.
Penguins, but I also want to mail a postcard to my kids from the most southern post office.
I want to be in a kayak next to a whale.
I want to do the cold plunge.
We're officially untethered from the mainland, which means our trip to Antarctica has just started.
I'm a little bit scared of seasickness. I'm not scared of the waves. I think that'll be quite exciting.
So we get exclusive access to the bridge, but we can't shoot any video there. So instead, here's some photos for you to check out what it looks like.
It'll be a really simple one today, but everyone should get comfortable. Otherwise, you can go ahead and leave now to be able to come up here and talk yourself, because you're going to be sharing a bit more about yourself. What's really crazy is some people, it's easier to go to the end of the world than it is to go inside of yourself. It's very difficult. We talked about recently how interesting it is to be able to go through these transformative parts of your life. And yesterday, I broke up with my partner as the first opening act of this. And it was heartbreaking.
Usually I start these off with a joke. Don't have one today.
We were about to spend 10 days together, 4 just at sea. So we started by letting things go. It was incredible to see the entire group lean into their human side and open up to each other.
I think it's great. It'll make everybody happy. Plus the whole you can't please everybody thing is always the case. How are you?
I'm still out of it. I just have to finish processing all this stuff. I just feel like she wasn't who I thought she was.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Update from the bridge. At the moment we have 44 knots of wind. It's almost hurricane force and blizzard full on.
Holy shit, man! If we survive this, we'll remember it forever.
And if you don't?
And we'll remember it for the rest of our lives.
Just for
Either way, we will remember it for the rest of our lives.
And somehow, in spite of the seasickness and hurricane force winds, the Skoolers proceeded to bring a sense of community to the entire ship as well.
Why does someone go out and do this kind of thing, right? Are you forgetting something? Are you gaining something? Whatever that is. It said you're expanding your capacity. I think that's what this does. We're gonna go expand some goddamn capacity. Welcome to So we all just woke up to Antarctica in this view. Today, some of us are actually gonna step foot on land here. In fact, there goes one of the boats right now, out to go do a little bit of recon and see if we can go visit. But definitely some of us are gonna be able to kayak, which is gonna be incredible. Time to go out into the cold, baby. Let's go, school! Yeah.
As it turned out, the weather was too rough to land.
We also have some icebergs here around.
So naturally, they explored another way. And nature was putting on one hell of a show.
Kayaking in Antarctica. That was a good one. We're gonna have to stop kayaking early because the winds are really picking up out here. We gotta rush to get back to the Zodiac. I love adventures like this.
It turns out, even though we had absolutely clear skies, the waves started getting really big, really fast. That was scary.
So now today happens one of the things that we have been looking forward to the most. This is the polar plunge. It's gonna hurt a lot, but there's something special about intentionally subjecting yourself to such extreme levels of discomfort that you come out just feeling like you're reborn.
Wow.
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 90 seconds.
Wow. That's not even. They pulled me right back, and I was like,
Nice.
amazing. Worth it.
How many seconds will you stay in the water?
How many seconds will I stay in the water?
I will do all of the seconds, but it's probably gonna be more like 6.
Bro, seconds is too low, man. We count minutes with me, bro. I'm going for 7, bro. The world record.
I'm going in and out. Are you kidding me? In and out? Yeah.
No more than 30 seconds.
30 seconds?
Maybe 1 minute.
It's small?
Oh my god.
No, I barely got off. If I'm gonna hit my 20-second goal, I literally have to experience all of the emotions and all the rush of adrenaline, let that hit, and eventually it should die down. And either I'm dead or I've gotten through the worst of it. If you've been waiting to build a following around that thing that you love, start. The rest will come faster than you think. Just gotta take the leap, man.
Any words? Just do it.
How you do it?
This is how we do it.
This is how schoolers do it.
How long? How long? I don't even know. I tried saying as long as possible. They wouldn't let me say that long. Bro, it's shivering.
So this is what the difference looks like between 30 seconds in the water and 40 seconds in the water.
No, it's great. It still feels really good.
Yeah, watch, he'll be doing this for the next 3 days.
Wow, I feel alive.
Did you guys enjoy your polar plunges today? Yeah! Who stayed in the longest?
Your mom!
Yeah, all right!
Every single person sitting at this table traveled across the world to be here. If not for these types of IRLs, I probably wouldn't travel as much or see as much of the world. Bring on the IRLs. Bring on connection.
Got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind. Baby, you're the one.
I don't know when the last time is you had a breakup, but it's a big one. And life is so amazing to be able to experience such a range of emotions like this and visit places like this. And it helps remind me how important it is to feel these things rather than bury them or avoid them. It doesn't feel good, but it feels bad because it felt good at one point. I'd rather have that.
Welcome to the conclusion of World Tour Year 1, with all of the pioneers that made it possible to bring school to the final continent this year. Nice job, everybody. Let's play
Steel pile
This whole mainland is ours now. And that's our leader.
It's amazing. I cried when I climbed up the glacier. The view was so impressive.
It's a huge bucket list. I've been dreaming about this since I was 9, and having a community on school is what helped make this happen.
You know, when I first came onto school, it made me realize that I could have a future that I could build myself, and it wasn't tied to any one place or any one person. Being here in Antarctica proved that to be true. I built the tribe and I built the community. I built people who I can learn from and who I can teach as well. And it's all due to school. School has changed my life, and it's helped me to change the life of so many other people. Very grateful.
I really wanted to know, was this even fucking worth it? Does it just look cool on camera, or is this actually something that people really enjoy and we should lean into doing at a greater scale next year?
So, Goose took a whole bunch of schoolers to Antarctica for a meetup, which is pretty cool to see. If you want to meet other people in person, other schoolers, I'd recommend checking out where this tour is going.
All right, well, the first world tour is over, and now that begs the question, what comes next? I'm thinking another world tour. Only we're gonna do this one a little bit differently.